Feel your body. What you are feeling that you identify as you is how you have trapped yourself. Feel and realize. Do it again, over and over, until you have set yourself free. Look at how you have trapped yourself until you're freed from your trap. I love, I love, I love, I love. Let it all go. Let nothing have a hold on you. You are your monitor, not anyone else. No permission other than yours is necessary for your awakening, your healing, your realization of truth, your unconditionally loving nature, remembered and returned with realization.